This is a really cool app. It's called the Bee Factory, and you produce honey. And each layer you can create a new bee. These have come by me selecting this new level, and then up comes the selection invisible, and you got to pick a cell to choose what would be your next bee. So here's one for unlocking a bee. So I'm gonna unlock with 540 EEs of honey coins and pick a card. And this is called Flappy Bee. So I can either claim it or run an ad to pick another bee. So let's do one more. Oops, here comes a golden bee. I'm gonna pick it and I get bonus coins for catching the golden bee. So I've got $7 up here in the top of my app. So I'm gonna collect the maximum amount. Okay, and I'm gonna upgrade to add one more bee so they both start producing honey. There we go. And let me claim some dollars. Tap to be 385 times, so $5 here. Now at the top of my game, I got $7 in there. My production is 193 DD. They've come up with their own naming convention for money, and so anyway, it's really interesting to. This came out of Fetch Rewards, so I'm actually getting Fetch Reward points. You can tap the bees to speed them up. So I'm speeding up their process to go produce some honey. And each level, you make more honey dollars, if you will.